Hi, sweetie. Good morning. Welcome back. At the same time, are you happy? Anyway, me, I'm happy because it's weekend. So yeah, me knowing that I'm not going to do school runs today. So yeah, I'm happy. So yeah, let's prepare this chicken, guys. I just remember, Abby, I noticed, say, how they call it. I not come get it that they put for mouth. My mouth not the one. Anyway, yeah, let's get this done. So I'm going to be using the chicken for this today recipe. So let me cut. Makotrese behem. Yeah, let's cut it. How was your weekend going? So yeah. So look at the leg over here. So you just use your commodities. So now we are cutting this second one. So yeah. Ha, shots at the sweat. Hey, wait, I can hold my fan. This chicken, they give me back boost. Hey, I don't remember Stefan is not there. Anyways, on now. Let's cut it. So guys, I'm done cutting it. So first of all, try this fingers. So yeah, guys, I'm done cutting the chicken. So this side is good to go. So yeah, let me use this water. So guys, at this point, I'm done washing it. Then yeah. So what are we going to cook with this, guys? So yeah, watch out for the next episode of the chicken, next clip of it. So I'm going to be cooking with it, and then yeah, let's see what you're cooking. So let's get it done. So look at the leg. Did you like eating leg or chicken? Let me know, because me, I like it. I like eating the leg of chicken, guys. Here we have all the chicken. I hope I tried cutting this chicken. So I did a great job, guys. Anyway, yeah. So yeah, let's see what we are up to next. So yeah, look at that. I cut and well, guys. Let me know. I did a great job. So I did a great job cutting it. Let me know. So yeah, let's get that cook. See you guys.